Hi friends. Welcome to Money Sorcery channel. At any point of time if you feel this video is valuable for you, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. So, let us quickly discuss today's market updates. BSE Sensex is up by 36 points, that is 0.05%, and settled at 77,337 points. Nifty 50 is down by 41 points, that is 0.18%, and settled at 23,516 points. Bank Nifty is up by 957 points, that is 1.90%, and settled at 51,398 points. Nifty Midcap 100 Index is down by 538 points, that is 0.97%, and settled at 54,971 points. Nifty Small Cap 100 Index is down by 83 points, that is 0.46%, and settled at 18,155 points. Blue Dart, South Asia's leading courier and integrated express package distribution company, has successfully launched drone deliveries in collaboration with Sky Air, a leader in drone technology. This move marks a significant advancement towards cleaner and more efficient delivery solutions. Building on their pioneering BLOS trails in Vikarabad, Hyderabad in September 2021 and BWALS trials under the Telangana government's Medicine from the Sky initiative, Blue Dart continues to lead in utilizing drone technology for logistics. Company said in a press release. AMI Organics aims to raise 500 crore rupees through this equity route. In a stock exchange filing on 18 June, the company said that its qualified institutional placement committee considered and approved the opening of the QIP at a floor price of 1,228 rupees and 71 paise per share. The company also said that it may offer a discount of up to 5% on the floor price for the issue. The company added in the release that a meeting of its QIP committee will be held on or after 21 June to consider and approve the issue price and the discount on the issue price, if any is given. With this positive news, stock surged up in today's session. According to a report, the Goods and Services Tax (GST) Council on Saturday is expected to consider a key amendment that can help resolve the issue of retrospective taxation for online gaming companies. Since October 2023, a flat 28% GST has been levied on the full value of bets placed in online games, regardless of whether it involve games of skill or of chance. With this positive news, shares of Delta Corp rose 17% in the afternoon session today on likely relief from retrospective taxes. Delta Corp shares rose to 154 rupees and 95 paise in the afternoon session today. Datamatics announced on Wednesday the company has been granted a patent for its AI-powered Intelligent Document Processing (IDP) software called TrueCap Plus. Following the announcement of the patent, shares of the company jumped over 7%. The firm stated that TrueCap Plus automated data extraction from complex structured, semi-structured, and unstructured documents. The software is powered by artificial intelligence, which enables a template-free approach and delivers a greater straight-through processing with a high accuracy. Hindustan Aeronautics Limited board to consider final dividend for financial year 2023-2024 on 26 June. Tata Motors on 19 June said it will hike prices of its commercial vehicles by up to 2% from 1 July 2024 to offset the impact of rising commodity prices. The price hike will be applicable across the entire range of commercial vehicles and will vary as per individual model and variant, Tata Motors said in a statement. IT services company HCLTech on Wednesday said it has collaborated with Tecnotree, a Finnish software company catering to telcos, to co-develop advanced 5G-led generative AI, GenAI, solutions for the global telecom industry. The two entities will help telcos and CSPs, communication service providers, unlock new opportunities, accelerate innovation and drive sustainable growth with personalized next-generation solutions, a company statement said. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more updates.